So the question we're asking today is the city of Montreal ready for this next mini blizzard? Yeah, you're laughing. You're saying, what? It's half a centimeter down? But I keep reminding you that the weather forecasts always fall short. Seriously. They were saying for December 17th, it would be flurries late in the day, 2 to 4, maximum clearing overnight, and December 18th, another 2 to 4. But guess what? Snow started midday, December 17th, at 1 p.m., and by the time it's all over, by Wednesday night, no, actually Thursday morning, 1 a.m., we will have gotten 15 centimeters. Yes, mark it down. 15 centimeters. Not 5, not 3, not 2. So, question we're asking today, is the city ready? You can answer by just cleaning the snow, salting, pushing it aside.